Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be making some more floating gold resin coasters. These are just resin coasters that I had made. I didn't like how they turned out, and the back side was a pure glittery base. So what you're actually seeing here is the back side of the coasters, and we're going to do a layer of resin art on them. I did tape the back of them, and this is the Egyptian gold from Island Micas and More. It's a beautiful floating gold pigment, and this is the blue interference mica powder from Laura's Art Corner. And I have about 1 ounce of resin in my cups here. You could see how much pigment I added to each of these cups, giving them a good mix. And I went ahead and mixed up my resin off camera, but if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing step by step how to mix your resin and your pigments, I will link my Milky Way coaster tutorial down below in the description box. Be sure to go check it out. I show you step by step how to mix your resin. And today I'm actually using Promarine Pro Art Epoxy. They sent this to me to try. It's a 1-to-1 ratio, and I'm going in and just adding about 1 ounce to each of my coasters here. And like I said, these were coasters that just didn't turn out. So I did tape the backs of them, and I have them raised up off my table on some spray paint can lids. And I'm going in with my new favorite mixing tools from Tracy Reed, Acrylic Pouring with Friends. You can use these to mix up your resin. She sells them in her Etsy shop. They're fantastic, and they work great for spreading out resin as well. I'm just spreading out that clear, making sure that everything is covered, and I'm also going to hit it with my heat gun. Just move it around. You want to make sure you have a good layer of clear down for this technique. And as always, I'll link all the materials I'm using down below in the description box, along with any coupon codes that I have. So now that I have my clear down, I'm going to go in with alcohol inks from Dryer Days Art Studio. This is the Vivid Purple, and I'm just adding drops of color. Now I'm going to go in with the Vivid Pink, and I'm going to go in with the Prussian Blue next. And just kind of do drops of color. I don't want to cover up the entire base of the glitter, just trying to make sure I get a good amount, but not covering up everything completely. Now I'm going to go in with that blue interference. It's such a pretty color. It looks really nice with the Prussian blue alcohol ink. Just did a few little swirly lines, and now I'm going to go in with that Egyptian gold. And I'm just adding a little bit. You don't want to add too much of this because it will take over if you're not careful, and your piece will end up completely gold. If you saw my previous video, that's what happened in that video, but I did end up fixing it and they turned out really pretty in the end. Going in with my heat gun on high just to move that gold around over the colors. And that's it. I'm going to hit this one once more with my heat gun. I just wanted to move that gold out a little bit. And I forgot to mention, when I do these, I always reserve a little bit of clear resin, because you can go in like this and just kind of push those pigments to the side and create a little bit more depth if you add a little bit of clear. Just as a last step after you're done blending all your pigments and alcohol inks together, just add a little bit of clear and it'll give you a really fun look in your finished coasters. So here's how they're looking with the wet finish. Really super pretty. Love these colors together. I'm going to let them dry, pull the tape off the back, and then I'll show you how they look when they're all nice and dry and finished. And here's how they turned out. I just love the lacing on this one. It's so pretty. I love these colors together. And you're going to see my daughter. She was running laps around me while I was filming the close-up of these coasters. She was just having fun while I was doing this quick video. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I hope you guys give this a try. And this technique will work with any glittery coaster base that you have. So if you just, let's say you wanted to do white glitter, just pour some white glitter mixed with clear resin in your coaster molds, demold them, tape the backs, and then you'll be ready to go in and do your art layer just like this. And as always, I'll link all the materials I used down below in the description box, along with any coupon codes that I have. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon for another video. Bye, guys.